The labels on your gadgets convey information about safe usage, so it's good if you understand the meanings of all the different symbols and icons you might see there. And one of them is CE. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. These letters stand for the French words Conformité Européenne, which means European conformity in English. It means the devices met health and safety standards that the members of the EU have agreed to. You might find it on many electronics, but getting CE designated requires so much, and it can be applied to a wide array of products. Under the present regulations, CE is mandatory on common consumer goods like toys and on expensive purchases like recreational watercrafts. Other more likely products to get CE labeled are electronics, electrical equipment, gas-powered appliances, and batteries. While the CE is an EU designation, customers elsewhere in the world might see the label on a product. Currently, 33 countries require a CE designation for a product to be sold domestically. The most likely case where you'll see an electronic device not marked with CE is if the company isn't shipping the item to Europe. Even if you're looking at a gadget that seems like it should be covered under the EU rules, there are always exceptions. Health and safety is complex everywhere in the world, so it's possible that a device falls under a different certification. The official CE mark used by European regulators has the two letters, with each one comprised of a semicircle with enough space between each letter that it could complete the circle of the C without touching E. And if the two semicircle letters have almost no space between them, that means the products are made in China, which doesn't mean the item's unsafe, but it also has no connection to the European standards. If for any reason you have safety concerns about a product, regardless of what labeling it carries, stop using it right away. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.